Install the pedestal base and stake into the ground per the main pedestal installation video with Universal Organizer. Reinstall the metal frame organizer into the base. Install and secure a ground wire into the lug located in the bus bar following your standard company practices. The ground lug will accept ground wires number 4 through number 10. Splice and secure all incoming and outgoing cables in the STP Pro closure per the corresponding application procedure. If desired, secure incoming and outgoing cables to the base of the metal frame using tie wraps. Loop and store all cable slack in the cable storage brackets as shown. You may need to use longer or shorter loops depending on how much cable slack you have. Mount the STP Pro to the STP mounting brackets using the hardware provided. If desired, you can further secure cable slack to the metal frame using tie wraps.